started working in Kubernetes due to a requirements when from working with Microsoft Corporation. They wanted to start promoting Kubernetes. They was not AKS at this time, okay? They was ACS, the name that they given, and they wanted us to. We usually collaborate with Microsoft, and they requested us to do some demos, okay? To showcase the the Kubernetes and all the things that ACS were capable to do. So prior to that, I just started to investigate Kubernetes, but not only Kubernetes. We were in the container wars between Mesos and Swarm and Kubernetes. So I was just looking all of three, just trying to understand what they did, what was the difference between using plain Docker Compose and was using these products, everything. So I was on the wave probably, okay, but I didn't really do any deep learning or investment on those platforms. Then when this project appeared, I need to do learning and try to reading documentation, start to learning, practicing, and doing everything with Kubernetes, okay, and I like it. I like it. I like it. The product. I like it. The ideas. Okay, and yes, it's. I don't know. I don't know how to answer what was my mentality change, because I think that was very gradual. Okay, I was a very long process probably for me. Took a very long time because I started with very simple things and then I going to more complicated things. I think that one of the problems that a lot of customers are facing today when they are going to jump to Kubernetes is that they want everything at the first place,
Right.
and Kubernetes is hard to enter. You have at least for me, I think it has a good ramp to really dominate everything, all the concepts. Okay, I was saying the same thing. You need to stop thinking in processes. You need to stop thinking in containers. You need to start thinking in pods, which is a different concept. Okay, it seems the same, but it's not the same. And you need to start thinking all the primitives that Kubernetes have. Kubernetes is low level. I usually talk with a lot of developers that they talk about APIs and webs, and no, Kubernetes is not that. Kubernetes is lower than that, because you need to think about things like services and how they related to your pods, and how do you want to scale that, and how do you want to deploy that. So there are a lot of things that most developers aren't aware of. And I think that's one of the problems that I found most.